to all the plant mamas and plant papas out there. Hope everybody's bringing home them roots, bringing home them plants. And if you're new here, my name is Mickey, and welcome to Wicked Natty Roots, a channel where we bring you some of the beauty that nature does have to offer. And boy, I just wanted to say thank you for the first 200 subscribers. I can't believe it. You know, I just started this YouTube channel to be myself and enjoy what I love, follow your instincts, passions, all that good stuff. So in today's video, thank you guys for watching the video I put out last week from Russell's Garden Center in Wayland, Massachusetts. One word that I described it was amazing, amazingness, amazingly beautiful. All the plants they had at Russell's for sure. And I left out 10 minutes of footage, and I just thought I'd post it just so you guys can see truly, you know, more of it, because I could have spent all day there. I literally could. And so before I do that, I just had a question about this Monstera pinnatipartita. Monstera pinnatipartita. And so, you ready? All right. So this guy, I'm going to call him Rafiki, and I think it's a good idea to name plants. What do you guys think too? But this guy decided to reach for the sky like that, and just was thinking, what would you do? What would a plantito do with such plant? Do you cut it at each node and then a leaf will grow from here? That is my instincts. As you can see, the leaf does want to grow from up top, so I'm still learning, and this is the coolest part about the plant hobby, is to take care of your plants, watch them grow, and just keep on learning. Alright, so without further ado, here's the 10 minutes of the footage from Russell's Garden Center in Wayland, Massachusetts. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so here we go. We see some beautiful string of hearts. This place is awesome, by the way. This is one of the biggest garden centers I've ever been to, with the most variety of just decorations and things to make your garden look nice and awesome. As you can see, the variety here is out of this world, right where you want it to be. This is a nice Palea aquamarine, nice trailing plant there, looking really cool. Got some variegated ivy as well, nice trailing plant, gotta love that. Nice string of pearls, nice hanging baskets, looking really nice. And over here we have, what is this? This is the strawberry begonia for $18.99. Okay, some more English ivy. And this is another variety of strawberry begonia. And yes, one of my all-time favorites, the Maranta, the lemon lime Maranta prayer plant for $18.99. Looking nice and healthy there. Okay. Beautiful. All these plants look super healthy. And you got the hanging baskets of the Begonia maculata. Nice polka dot pattern, nice and full, looking lush. These are looking super duper good. Looking nice and healthy, guys. We are at Russell's Garden Centers in Wayland, Massachusetts. Amazing place for sure. If you're ever in the area, definitely stop on by. This is a nice peperomia there. Some more beautiful hanging baskets. Okay. And we come over here. We're going to check out these air plants. Beautiful display. That would look awesome in any window, any living room. Got the string of dolphins, rather a string of bananas there. Looked like a dolphins for a second. Okay, some more air plants. And down below, we got cool starter plants, guys. Look at this guy. Opens up during the day and closes at night. Oh, cool. Look at this baby tears for $4.99. Looking super cool. Alright, you got some nice variety. Nice variegation on that. And these are $2.99 for these baby starter plants. Check that out right there. Pretty cool. Gotta love that. Along, got these guys down here. Calunky, flowering calunky there, $4.99. Some air plants. Gotta love these. Look at this coleus hybrids there. Nice and tiny. They're just growing. Give them some bright light, and they'll definitely grow for you. Some nice ferns. Up here, one of my favorites of all time, the black pagoda lipstick plant. I was saying to myself that I might get one of these for my birthday this year. Last year I got a philodendron pink princess, and I'm looking for a nice one of these. This one's looking super nice. Now I know where to go to get one. I think this is the Pothos Enjoy. Okay, $3.99 for that. Looking super good. Look at the variety, guys. Look at that. Looking super cool. These are the healthiest looking waffle plants I've ever seen. Very nice. There's an interesting one right here. Anybody know the name of this one? I don't know. $2.99. Very cool. I always like the looks of this one here. I think this is the Prince of Persia plant. Nice purple color. Nice deep purple. And let me just grab this guy here. Sorry about that. Alright, check that out. $2.99 for this little guy. Really, really cool. And let me get closer to these guys here, and I'll show you what these guys do. They close up when you touch them. Used to find these in Puerto Rico all the time. See how they close up? They're like, don't touch me. So cool. Very, very cool. Damn. Alright. Check those out. Alright, that's super cool. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Nice and healthy looking plants here for sure. This is an iris variegated flowering maple. Wow. Love that. Definitely love that. And would you just take a look at all these guys? What a variety of plants. Everything's looking super healthy. All right, what do we got here? This is a copper coleus. Very nice. This one's $4.99. Cute asparagus fern. Gotta love that. $2.99. Look at these. These are super rare. Definitely something that you won't find at a big box shop. Something that you have to kind of explore and broaden your horizon and just go to a local garden center and you never know what you're gonna find. Like, look at this guy. This is the Sadaki's Quetzal coleus. Sadaki's Quetzal coleus. Oh wow. Look at the shape of the leaves. A triangular, purplish, crimson red around the edge of the leaf. That's super cool. And the mimosa. Again, look at that. Isn't that cool? I think that's super cool. Alright, you got right here. Cool. What's this? This is the KK's vine, wire vine plant right there. $4.99. Very cool. This is the silver carpet. I've never seen half of these plants in my life. I am trying to film nice and calmly so I can show you guys the variety that's out there. Encourage you guys to come out to your local garden center and just see what jumps out at you. Everyone has different tastes. Everyone has different likes. You know, if you all like the same thing, it'll be a boring world. But look at the variety that nature has to offer us to just create your own jungle. Gotta love that inch plant back here. Look at this. This thing's trailing nicely. Oh wow. Gotta love that. Alright, let's see what else to get.